Good morning po, Skaduray. Alis na po ngayon dito sa aming camping. So, let's go to the other place. But before that, we're going to the hidden gym.
Again, another gym.
Yeah, another gym. There in Sweden, hidden gym. Very exciting. So, let's go and go. Oh, wait. Nawala na. Typical Swedish white and red. Yun, galing, ganda. Yun, we are near to that hidden gym, I think. So, about 10 minutes. So, see you there, mga kaduray. Ayan po ang Swedish house. Really cool, really cozy place. So, yan, dito na po tayo sa hidden gym that called Limstensgruvorna. Come with us. We will show you the most amazing hidden gym. One of. So it's really cool. I promise you. So we go and follow. So here we go. So maglalakad tayo. Lalakad tayo ngayon. Punta doon sa hidden gym. Malapit-lapit na tayo. Pero malayo pa rin. Minsan pagkasabi malapit pa. Ay, hindi pa naman. Oh. So, see you there. We are alone here. And that's good thing. Because it's too early in the morning. So, it's perfect. Otherwise, it's very crowded. And it's not so nice. So, we are heading to the gym. So, tree falling down. It's lucky that nobody in nobody. Hey, we're going to down because Kaduray is very short. So, look. Oh, my husband took this one.
The easy way.
So, let's go. Let's go. Hidden gym. So, it's something interesting here. Oh, look. Oh. This, according to this is the transport. They use this for transport. And that is from 18th centuries. Really cool, isn't it? So, yeah. Now we go in this amazing place. Come with me. Ooh, yeah, scenery. Dun, 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 dun. This is my kingdom come. My kingdom come. This is, look. This is my kingdom come. Oh, look. Isn't it cool? Oh my. Isn't it cool? Oh, this is amazing. Amazing. Oh. Nay, na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Oh, look how they did it. 18 centuries. You make hole like this, look. In the left side, you can see how they do it. Oh, wow. Oh, look. And that, look at this. You can sit here and you can, make a barbecue. Oh, my lalo. Then, yeah, this one, this you can see doon. Nung tayo nandun sa taas, when we are up there, so we can see this one. There. So, my husband is there. Looking. Aha, not that one. I thought. Then this one you can sit here. That one. And look at this. Awesome. Oh my Lord. This one. Look at this one. This one. This hole I saw that from there. Isn't it? Is it cool? Oh. Balik tayo. Ganda scenery. Tan taran tan. Tararam. Na 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 na. Na na na. Oh. Look at this thing. This is very awesome. They have hole and this one, the big stone, really cool. Oh, yeah. Look. Ata, doon ka. Hoy, doon ka. Pinaalis ang asawa. Ako doon ka, at ako yung magbabitaw. Yun oh. This is really cool, right? You can see. Oh, kanilang ginawa nila ito, yung hinukay nila. Ewan ko kung anong kinukuha nila. Siguro yung mga may bato na nagmamine sila. Tapos ayan, iniwanan ng ganito. Napakaganda. Awesome talaga. Parang magical parang magic, para siyang nasa yung sa movie. Really cool. And that one. Oh, big one. Oh. Oh. Alam mo yun? Paano nila nagawa yun? Isn't it? Really cool. We're going to make picture here. And this one. This one. Oh, over there. Oh, stone. Oh, my husband is there. Okay, some Buddha. Buddha, Buddha. Kawai, kawai. Pag my time. Really nice.
Nej. Nej.
Oi. Kain tayo ng konti. Ganda. Itinuturo sa akin yung asawa, hindi ko meron daw tutubi. Ay, sabi ko maya ang tutubi. Tingnan yung aking asawa, para siyang namumuni-muni. Para siyang nakakita ng alien. Very funny sometimes. Look at my son. This place is really cool, isn't it? You can stay here for a whole day and you will not get tired of it. Mas ganda dito, makalm and peaceful. But sorry, Kaduray cannot be peaceful. So yeah, so we'll see, and we say, I think we'll say that's it for today. And I will sign off now and say adios, amiga. Oh, not yet adios, amiga, maybe. Because, so see you later on, and another adventure, another place. So I think there is also exciting place. So see you later. Oy, nawala si Kaduray. Take one, take two. See you later. So, labas na tayo, mga Kaduray. Thank you for today. Thank you for the nice weather. Not rainy, it's perfect. And no people, it's perfect. So thank you for everything. This place is so amazing. Come to Sweden and see this amazing hidden gem in the middle of nowhere. So it's sometimes, if you will not Google it, you cannot find this easy. So here we go. Limstein's Gruvona. It's from 18th century. So, and there is also may grillan din sila doon. Yan, sa labas. Pwede rin silang mag-grill. Ang laki ng grillan. Oh, really nice. Grill pang may time. Kaya nga lang walang si Kaduray na pang grill. Dapat pala kami dala ditong lechon eh. Yeah, lechon baboy. Whoa. So that's it. Where are you going, Abby? Look. He's looking. Oh, walang interesting. So, see you. So, we drive na. See you mamaya.